Hi, kitty. We're going to pet the kitty nice, huh? Oh, so nice. No, we don't pull his tail. We say nice. If we stop petting him, he might meow. Say hi, kitty. Meow. Do not pull his tail. He doesn't like you when you do that.
What is it that you want? A French fry?
Yeah, he likes that. That's good. That's nice. Thank you. Pet his head. He likes it when you pet his head. Can you pet his head? Pet his head like this. He likes that. See? He likes that. Such a pretty kitty he is. Look at that pretty kitty. Meow. Pet him nice. Meow.
So what's the matter with the iPad, they said?
I don't know. It's something Mr. Creasy has to fix.
Yeah, they're gonna take it home.
Meow. I've noticed it last week, but I didn't do anything. Meow. Meow. Nice. Okay, that might be a little rough. Can we do a little nicer? Soft? Yeah, that's soft.
She came up to me today, teacher.
Well, you're going to have to wait until we're done, Johnny. Okay.